Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2018 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6159. This ran from the 7th 2015 to the current shape. It has a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with tyre, right front guard 1 dent, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.